Alright everybody, you don't know who this is already. It is the Skilla. And I'm here to give you a very short clip about me, my channel, and Jamaica. You understand me? Now, about me first. Anywhere you go and you see me, you can always shout me. Hey yo, Skilla! Well, I just one of them things there. Alright. Now, there is two things I need to know about Jamaica mainly. You see me I say? They can be very homophobic. So when you're in Jamaica, be sure to make sure that nobody no see you as a man doing this. Alright. Anyways, the second thing is that Jamaicans can't really, like, they always have a problem with the law. Yeah, it's just one of them things. But apart from that, the roads are great. Yeah, and trust me, that's only in the city. You need to see the ones in the hills.
Don't take certain risks with it here. So I'm to that joke, yeah?
Okay, so if you need to see more of what go on this channel about the world and Jamaica, you have to click the subscribe button, which is my subscribe button. If you need to contact me, you have to read the description below the videos. Alright, my name is Skilla, and that was Dancehallskilla Entertainment.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehallskilla! Yeah man, hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehallskilla Entertainment.